$40 to fill up with 98. What's happening, guys? I'm just going on a quick ride this morning because I've got another new microphone. So this is I think the 4th one I've tried, and I'm just doing like a comparison test with them. But this one is the Giant Squid microphone, the same one that Blockhead uses, and he has really good audio as well. So a lot of the microphones that you get off eBay, like cheap ones and stuff, they don't tell you how sensitive they are. So yeah, they all have like different decibel ratings, like minus 35 dB or whatever. Different microphones of different qualities are going to have like a wider range that they can capture as well. So I mean, I'm just being fussy. Most people don't really care about this kind of stuff, but myself personally, I think audio is really, really important. And yeah, I think it's, you know, really good audio makes a huge difference to your videos, whether it's a MotoVlog or just normal daily vlogs or films. Really good audio can make or break a video. Check back in with you guys in a minute. I'm just going to go get on the motorway, do a motorway test, and probably another accident. It's a regular occurrence in Auckland. Suitable is like a popping sound, and that's usually from the wind and the microphone itself not being able to handle the pressure difference. Whenever I'm passing a car on the motorway like this, I look in their mirrors first, and then when I get close enough, like here, I can see the indicator stalk, and if they have their like hand on the indicator stalk, I'm like, yeah, okay, watch out. Because you know, people do usually indicate, but I don't know if it's just a Auckland thing or a New Zealand thing, but people like start changing lane and then they indicate, and they don't look in the mirror anyway, so it's like kind of pointless. The indicator's like a I'm gonna hit you notification rather than a warning that I'm changing lanes. an old Ducati. Fucking hell, that's rare as shit. That's sick.